you so much. This is our practice session for all riders, men and women. I want to take just a minute to give a shout out to our across the jump back here. Back hill. Back hill, sir.
Yes, sir.
Premieres going on into the darkness. Chris, with the winner, just bring on the ladies, come on too. Let's get you in the boat.
Hey, here we are, Hot Dogs and Handrails 08. It's the 5th one. It just went off. We got our jump, our walls, our rails, our bomb drop. It's an amazing day here in September, and we look forward to do it next year. You guys got to be here. Hot Dogs and Handrails 09. It'll be number 6.